and today I am going to be doing a new little ice cream sundae with Play-Doh, beads, and these guys. I do have an extra guy here, but all three of them wouldn't stick on that good. I'm trying to find a way how to get them both sticking on, but every one of them would fall off. So this is the preview of what you're going to need. So the first thing that you're going to need is 4 beads. If you have curl arts, you can use them. If you have types of little tiny animals that are hard, you can also use that one. You can also use that one. Whichever one you want. I really don't care. But you're gonna need to start with 4 beads, those guys, and some ice cream. Also this little cool ice cream cup. If you have like a nice little bowl you would like to use, then you can use that too. But other than that, let's get to it. So the first thing you're gonna need is your ice cream. Now I'm gonna be making 2 of them. So the first one I'm gonna be making is I just need this to fit in here. And I'm trying to get this all nice and spaced out. Next thing I'm going to need to do is I'm just going to need this. And you can mark on it ice cream. I'm not going to do that though because I may get grounded. So what I am going to do is I can do it something else and make like a sign on a type of board. But I really don't care. So this is what you're going to need first. Now, I really don't care where you put your beads, where you put your animals. Just try to put them on somewhere. If you have different types of stuff, you may use them too, but just put your decorations on. And yeah. I'm putting them in all different types of spaces because I don't like them all crunched up. So I'm just using these guys as a representation. So I'm putting in between those guys some of that, and then in between the unicorn and this type of llama, the red and yellow, and then in between the 2 llamas, I have my 2 other beads, and in between the unicorn and the other llama, I don't have anything. So this is what your representation should look like. You can put it on your table. I really don't care. Next thing, do not rip your thing apart. Just take all your decorations off. If you want, you can try to make like the ice cream cone pointy, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to keep all these guys on and then take them off. And since you've already got your shape from your thing, you can take it out and now you have your little ice cream. Thank you for watching.